Also, we'll have the big reveal for the Lifetime Award and explain that, which is very exciting. Then we have our last co-created dialogue. And the focus of that dialogue is courage in connection. We want to emphasize, let's get into some conversations about how we can keep the feeling of connection and energy in our work throughout the year until we meet next time. And finally, we'll have our closing session. But before we go break for lunch, first I got to turn it over to, it's Rick Slavin. Rick.
I know you've been waiting for this. So a couple of things. Make sure that before you leave, check to see that you have your coffee cups and everything else, because out here waiting for things. So make sure you have that. Second thing is, if you're not coming back, unless you want me to visit you, you have to leave your name tag in the box. Name tag in the box. And of course, we're still available for donations. I thought you would expect me to say that. Please think about it. Thank you.
Just stay. Don't steal your tune just yet. We really rely on your appreciative inquiries, some feedback about our workshop. This is a co-created workshop. It takes many, many hands to make this workshop come to life, and we're really in the midst of it, which is wonderful. But we'd love to ask you 3 questions. You would fill out this card if you have time and put it at the registration desk. That would be very helpful. And here are the 3 questions. 1, what worked? What did really stood out to you, or was helpful to you, or benefited from? 2, what could work even better? What didn't work? 2, what could work even better? What didn't work? And 3, how do you want to help next year? We would love to hear from you, and we'd love to include people in the process of creating this really unique workshop. So when you fill out that card, we spend a lot of time studying it and plan for next year. And this, I'm going to tell, Rick's reminded me to tell you that we will be back in, we're going to, one thing I love about this group is we're very resilient in terms of our schedule, and it was so well worth it to go a little over it just now. So we're going to be back at 1:15 rather than 1 o'clock. And finally, we're going to wrap up our session, powerful session